If your YouTube channel is stuck at 0 views, it's not YouTube fault, it's your strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact reason why your channel is not growing and how to fix it step by step. And no, this is not motivation, this is real strategy.
Mistake number 1. Show you the mistake that you guys are making. Let me show you guys some example first. I go to YouTube. Let me search for something like gaming. Click on this channel. You can see that this channel is a gaming channel. Go to their videos. Everything here is just about gaming. Let me check out on that channel. This one is about games, great game and stuff. This one is about gaming too. Everything is about gaming. Let's check prank channel. This is a prank channel. You can see all their videos about prank. Once you set your YouTube channel like this, YouTube will know to recommend your videos to. You can see everything about this. If today you post gaming, tomorrow motivation, next tomorrow football, YouTube doesn't know who to show your content to. But if your channel is only about YouTube growth, the algorithm understand your audience. Avoid bad thumbnails. Let me just put something like how to grow your YouTube channel. You can see this thumbnail, very clear, and the video has 801,000 views. That's close to 1 million views. Just look at this one too, very clear and that's like with this thumbnail itself, you will know what the video is about. 800 and something views too. See this one too. The thumbnail too is clear. The views is 99k views. Look at the thumbnail, clear thumbnail. And let me put in something like bad thumbnails. You can see something like this one with 71k views, 6 months views. I see the bad thumbnail. Although the person got views, but guess why the person got views? Because the person was already popular. So this thumbnail, assuming it was a new creator posting out video that used this thumbnail, the video won't go viral like that because the thumbnail is too much text on the screen. You can't understand the meaning of the video, so make sure your thumbnail is clear and approachable.
If your video starts like, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, people will leave." Instead, start like this. If you are not growing on YouTube, you are making this mistake. Now, if you want your channel to grow in 2026, do these 3 things. Pick one clear niche, improve your thumbnails, start your video strong. Growth is not luck, it's strategy. If you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, subscribe to Libre TV. I'm growing this channel from 0 and showing you guys everything.